The question again posed from YouTube. Saif, master of games. Is it haram to skip Jummah if I slept by mistake and forgot to set the alarm? The question posed, is it haram to miss Jummah Salah? If you miss purposely, intentionally, it's haram. It's a fard for a Muslim to offer 5 times Salah in the mosque, and Jummah is of a higher category. You should. But if you overslept or if you forgot to keep the alarm, inshallah Allah will forgive you. Then once you wake up, what you have to do is that you have to pray Zohar Salah. So if you woke up maybe 1 hour late and the Jummah Salah got over and there's no mosque in which Jummah is yet to be offered, so what you have to do is you have to pray Zohar, 4 rak'ah Zohar Salah. Because if you missed your Jummah, you have to pray Zohar, 4 rak'ah Zohar. And if it's out of unintentionally, or you forgot to set the alarm, then Allah will forgive you. As for forgiveness, no problem at all. But intentionally missing a Jummah Salah, unless you're traveling, etc., if you're a mukim, then it is not permitted. You should offer. And the hadith we say that if you do not offer 3 consecutive Jummah, there will be a black spot on your heart, and the various hadith. So a Muslim should never miss Jummah. And in fact, I am of the opinion, and I believe with the ruling of Imam Dhabi, that he says in his Kabair, in his major sin, that if you intentionally do not offer a 5 times Salah in a mosque, even that is a sin. It is the 65th sin, he says. If you intentionally do not offer regularly your 5 time prayer in a mosque, that is a 65th major sin. Hope that answers the question. Question from the YouTube, Angela. I am a Christian from Nigeria. I want to study more about Islam, but I don't know how to start. My request to you would be that to start, you read the translation of the glorious Quran in the language you understand the best. If you know English, read in English. You can read the English translation of the Quran by Abdullah Yusuf Ali. That's one of the good translations available. It's available on the net. You can download it. And if you go to any Muslim organization close by Nigeria, surely they'll be able to supply a copy also. So first I would request you to read the English translation of the Quran, and then you can read the Seerah of the Prophet. One of the good books to read, the Seerah of the Prophet, that is the biography of the Prophet. It is The Sealed Nectar. That's the Raik al-Maktoum, written by Mubarak Safiur Rahman Mubarakpuri. That's a good book. So first read the translation of the Quran, then the Seerah of the Prophet, and then depending upon what you're interested in. There are many books available. I would request you to subscribe or enroll yourself to the Al-Hidayah platform, which has various, there are 2 sections, video on demand and a section on courses. There are various courses of the Quran, of Tafsir, of Hadith, of Dawah, varieties there. There are hundreds of courses and there are thousands of hours of video. So if this will be a good source, and these authentic speakers here, more than 40 speakers from all over the world. So your knowledge will increase. So if you can enroll yourself, the basic version is free for everyone. And surely you will get a lot of knowledge. You can see my video cassette, Similarities Between Islam and Christianity. The course is also there on Al-Hidayah, the video is also there. Similarities between Islam and Christianity. And inshallah that will enlighten you and will get you closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and Islam. Hope that answers the question.